Ever wondered why motion puzzles us? Imagine embarking on an exciting adventure where every movement tells a story. Today we unlock the secrets of motion, exploring distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration through clear, real-life examples. Picture a car driving along a straight road versus curving through winding paths. Distance is the total length traveled, regardless of direction, while displacement is the straight line change from the starting point to the ending point. Confusion often arises when these ideas seem similar, like a runner circling a track only to finish where they began. Consider speed as how quickly you travel, without caring about the direction. In contrast, velocity combines speed with direction. Imagine a car moving 60 miles per hour east. This distinction transforms abstract concepts into understandable ideas. Now meet acceleration, which explains how fast your velocity changes. Think of a car accelerating from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. That rapid increase is acceleration in action. Let these vivid examples guide you step by step. Every illustration reinforces the unique qualities of motion, clearing up common misconceptions and linking theory to everyday life. Discover how every distance, every change, and every burst of speed builds the world around us. Dive and learn, and let physics reveal its wonders. Unlock the mysteries surrounding every movement today. Every lesson in motion enriches your understanding of the universe, inviting curiosity and inspiring future discoveries right now.